Welcome back to Corn Week. We're celebrating with Mexican street corn, or elote. Now, we're going to jump right in. And guys, also, please give us a like and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, okay? And we would love to hear more from you on that. Now, we have our partially cooked corn. I steamed it instead of cooking it in water. And we have our husks still on. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that in a moment. Now, our grill pan is dry for a reason. We're going to start this on medium, almost medium-high heat, but not quite that high of a heat. And then we have our other ingredients that are going to go in. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to peel back that husk, just like this. And we want to make sure that we get those corn silks down. And you can take those completely off if you want to. Just pull those right off, just like that. See how easy that is? And then you still have your beautiful husk left there. And I'm just going to get the rest of those done. Okay, now that we have most of our corn silks removed and our husks are pulled down, we're going to baste these with some olive oil. And into the nice hot pan they go. So you just keep turning them as they get the grill marks on so that you can get them nicely around the whole ear of the corn. Now this is just about ready. So we're going to turn our pan off. And while that's finishing, we're going to make our crema. Now let's finish with our topping. Now guys, traditional elote just has the crema, which is a concoction of the Mexican cremas and some mayo, and then some spices on it. Okay, finished with a little bit of cotija cheese, possibly yes or no, depending on how you want it. Mine is a little twist on that, okay? So what we're doing here is we have cilantro, some diced jalapeno, and a little bit of just some sweet red bell pepper in there, okay? And that's what we have so far. Now into that is going to go a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of my homemade Mexican crema, and our spices. We have cumin, a little bit of cayenne, some chili powder, and some salt and paprika. All right, we're gonna give this a little squeeze of lime. And save that in case we want to put that on the corn when it's finishing. All right, now we're going to bring this together. And then we need a little bit of our cotija. Okay guys, now before we show it with the twist, I want to show you the traditional way. Okay, so we have our beautiful grilled corn. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, now on that is going to go the mixture of mayo and sour cream. Okay, right now, that's all that is in this. Okay, so we're going to spread that on just like that. Yum, yum. Now, we have our little sprinkle of cotija. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Okay. And a little bit of paprika, a little squeeze of lime. Look how gorgeous that is, you guys. Oh, beautiful. Can't you imagine a platter full of those at your dinner table? Now we're going to show with a little bit of a twist. Do a little bit of the Tina twist here. Look at that, you guys. And you just load it up however much you're going to want. Okay. Little shot of paprika. Little extra squeeze of lime if you so desire. And if you want, remember we had some cheese in that filling, but if you want a little extra. Oh, we're going to taste this, right? Oh my word. You guys, this is so good. Keep a fork or spoon handy so you can pick up those little tidbits. Put them back on your corn as you're going through dinner. Guys, we've had so much fun celebrating Corn Week, and this elote is off the charts. You gotta try it. When you do, send me a little like in the comment, guys. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do that for me, okay? That'll really help me out. I've had so much fun. I want to know how this turns out for you, okay? So let me know, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.